Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of insurance. Yeah, I know it might not sound super exciting, but trust me, understanding insurance can really save you a lot of headaches down the road. First up, let's talk about the different types of insurance. You've probably heard of life insurance, health insurance, auto insurance, and home insurance, right? But what do they really do? Life insurance is all about protecting your loved ones if something happens to you. There are two main types, term life and whole life. Term life covers you for a specific period, like 20 years, while whole life covers you for your entire life and also builds cash value over time. Next, there's health insurance. This one is crucial because medical expenses can be sky high. Health insurance helps cover doctor visits, hospital stays, prescription drugs, and sometimes even wellness programs. It's a must-have to avoid those unexpected medical bills. Now let's move on to auto insurance. If you own a car, you need this. Auto insurance covers you in case of accidents, theft, or damage to your vehicle. There are different types of coverage within auto insurance, like liability, collision, and comprehensive. Make sure you know what each one covers. Lastly, we have home insurance. Whether you own a house or rent an apartment, home insurance can protect your property and belongings. It covers things like fire, theft, and some natural disasters. Plus, it often includes liability coverage if someone gets injured on your property. So, how do you choose the right coverage? Start by assessing your needs. For example, if you have a family, life and health insurance are crucial. If you drive, auto insurance is non-negotiable. And if you own a home, you definitely want to protect that investment. Next, shop around. Get quotes from different insurers and compare their offerings. Look at the premiums, deductibles, and coverage limits. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Make sure you're getting good value for your money. Finally, read the fine print. Understand what is and isn't covered by your policy. Check for any exclusions or limitations that might affect you. Alright, that's a wrap on Insurance 101. I hope this video helps you make informed decisions when it comes to choosing the right insurance coverage. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.